Ready? Yes. Yes. Can I hear some more noise? Now I need some noise. Is it there? Wow. Wonderful. Okay. So great. So that is the start of the sensational new presentation. Okay. So welcome to each one of you. Okay. Do keep your videos on, audios on mute, ताकि हम आगे बढ़े. Happening. Yeah. Yes, I think I'm ready with it. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Oh, okay. Maybe the. Welcome to the DaBank orientation. Yes, I'm sure all of you are excited as much as I'm excited. Okay. What I really loved in this is the color combination. Just yeah. Now we can have everybody on mute. I'll mute everybody. Thank you. What I really love in this is जो color combination सोचिएगा. इतना बढ़िया color combination बनाया है. So pleasing to the eyes. So complementing colors बोलते हैं. So beautifully done on slides. Okay. A request. Somebody's on mute. Unmute again. Yeah. Thank you so much, co-host. Ow. Kamal Sheikh ji, please. The first thing. The project starts with the infrastructure. As I told, three parts. Again, I'm having some disturbance. Okay, thank you. So, I may have to do one thing. If we have disturbances, I may have to mute. There are three parts, right? First part is project one, which is informative and specific. इसमें शुरू होता है infrastructure के साथ और end होने वाला है forum formations का. Okay, so let's understand this in detail. And now you're going to be doing two parts. आपके तरह से one is you're going to be listening to it as a first time person who's seeing the presentation, और दूसरा very important, आप सब तो presenters हो. I can see Anil Kohli ji, I can see Manoj Pandya ji. You're all going to be presenting. इसीलिए please उस नजरिया से भी देखिए, so that what you're going to tell the people, that is equally important. So let's go ahead. So infrastructure, you can see this here, and you can see that we're starting with two companies, Syscom England UK and DaBank is in Scotland UK. So what we need to share here is that these are two separate companies. Please remember, these are two separate companies, and this is what also has to be conveyed to the people. जब वो सुनेंगे ये कन्वे करना है कि सिस्कॉम एक अलग कंपनी है इंग्लैंड में हेडक्वार्टर्ड, DaBank एक अलग कंपनी है स्कॉटलैंड में हेडक्वार्टर्ड. दीज आर टू सेपरेट कंट्रीज, इट्स टू सेपरेट कंपनीज. और साथ ही साथ आपका फोकस लेके जाना चाहता हूँ वो लास्ट लाइन में देखिए, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली पुट इन द डिस्क्लेमर. Okay, saying DaBank reward program is not a scheme, offer or lottery. All rewards are subject to your efforts with applied terms and conditions. ये भी आपको एक बार बताना चाहिए, because people are coming there to see before they should not carry wrong impressions. इसीलिए we have put a very clear disclaimer. Now go to Syscom. And Syscom का देखिए कितना बढ़िया presentation. You're getting a video on the left and you're getting the text. Okay, अब सब देखेंगे हमारा लेवल्स बड़े थे जब हम डेस्क में प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू किए थे, और अभी देखिए उससे भी एक ग्लोबली अवेलेबल. Okay, and globally you can see that data security standards. So any official, any legally valid companies can use that. Okay, so that is when you get the gateway. आप जब जो भी अमाउंट पे करना चाहते हो, 40 pounds, 400 pounds, okay, you need unless gateway is there you can't do, and the gateway will come only if it's a legal company, and legal होने के लिए PCI DSS compliance वही एक पहचान भी है उसमें. Okay, so we are fully compliant for the card system, so that आपका payment can happen with debit card, credit card, whichever way, and the payment gateway is on. And most importantly, हम लोग जब भी बात करते हैं, we are oh, I'm getting used to the presentation myself. So yes, here we go. So the onboarding. Okay, so once the EONet app समझ लिया आपने, global availability तो होगा या दुनिया भर कहीं से भी people can purchase cloud storage, people can log in, register, sign up, and use the social media app free also. Now once you understand this, we're going to go to the onboarding process. There's a special invitation process. It comes, the beauty, the niche, and the power is in this. It comes from an EONet user only. So nobody can simply, they can download an EONet app, but they cannot get inside. And finally, one app also is provided. It's an online marketplace. सबको पता है. OneApp will be launched, but the focus will be through Syscom to OneApp, because Syscom से ही अपना database तो बन ही रहा है. तो that is why OneApp comes club to it. Okay, and एक और चीज आपको समझना है कि it's an upcoming venture definitely, but सिस्कॉम में जब इयोनेट ऐसा ऐप है, ये बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स ऐप है ना. आप भी यूज कर रहे हो, टेस्टर्स हो, तो यू कुड अंडरस्टैंड द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज दैट गो इनसाइड. इतने सारे फंक्शनैलिटीज है, इतने सारे यूजर एक्शंस है इसमें, कि आपको पता है कि इट्स अ कॉम्प्लेक्स ऐप, इयोनेट ऐप. दा बैंक, when we look at Da Bank, let's understand the infrastructure which is related to Da Bank. Da Bank is in Scotland, and the first thing we're going to be touching upon is the Da Bank app. Okay, Da Bank app is a service application for freelancers, isn't it? It's a service application for freelancers, but anybody and everybody can access it, provided they follow the process. That's all. Okay, wonderful. But the second line is a very important line. No sales, no crowdfunding. इसका importance क्या है? What are we wanting to tell here? And आप सभी presenters is the activities. Okay, Da Bank, the activities of Da Bank is into advertisement and promotion of products and services of clients. Okay, please remember there are two lines separate इसमें. Advertisement, promotion, these are the two activities. किसका? Products and services, दोनों का, clients का. Okay, ये भी जानकारी ले लीजिए ताकि आप सही तरह से ये बता सकते. Wonderful. Understand this. Let's go to the next. In the infrastructure in Da Bank, we have something which is again, in my opinion, an amazing thing which I've never come across this. Very proud of our Da Bank and Da Bank management on this. Thanks to the Da Bank management. कि we have international services. आप में कई लोग तो ये experience भी कर चुके हैं, आपके teams में भी, खुद के लिए भी, कि if you are seeing this, we have a multi-currency payment processor. Okay, the beauty of this is that it is worldwide available through a famous processing company, payment processing company, provided such that the payments can reach every individual, every Da Bank netizen directly in their bank account in the local currency. Isn't that beautiful? Just think about it. Okay, very powerful. And along with it, the importance is of the GDPR. It is GDPR-based personal data protection. Okay, so therefore data privacy, data security is fully taken care here as well. Amazing. And then let us go to the next, the onboarding structure of Da Bank. Let us go ahead with the infrastructure of